Today we are making freezer and freeze-dried soup. So I've got some chicken and potato soup and some chicken broth that was frozen. And then I have some chicken gravy here that was frozen. I have some chicken that was frozen in the microwave right now, thawing. I have some more broth, and I'm gonna make a soup out of all this stuff that's been in my freezer, and hopefully it'll be good. Wish me luck.
Why are we making a movie?
Because we like to make movies.
What are you making a movie about?
Cooking.
Well, I am not cooking. Well, I'm going to make a cup of coffee with my favorite mug, given to me by my loving daughter.
Yeah, that'd be me. No, I'm not making drunken sailor videos.
Lorrie was telling me about how she was making soup. Go ahead.
Freezer soup. I'm making freezer soup.
Freezer soup. Show the people how you told me. Pointing over there, pointing over there. I got freezer soup, and I got freezer gravy, and I got freezer something else.
Broth.
Broth, and she's putting it all together. And we have to eat it. I mean, we get to eat it.
And then I'm going to add Thrive food.
Thrive food.
Thrive freeze-dried foods.
Yeah. Okay. That sounds good. It'll be good.
It'll be soup.
Your soup is always good.
And then you can actually see what I'm doing. So I've got my broth in here, and I've got my chicken in here, and my original chicken and potato soup that there wasn't enough for all of us. So the other thing I'm going to do, you can't just have chicken and, well, I suppose you could just have chicken and broth, right? But hey, how about some veggies in it? So I have Thrive vegetables, as you all know. I am a distributor. Well, not a distributor. I guess I'm a consultant with these guys. And I have an affiliate link down there if you're ever interested in trying any of these freeze-dried foods. Actually, the carrots are the only thing that they dehydrate. And they dehydrate the carrots because apparently you can't freeze-dry them. They turn white and look disgusting. So anyway, I'm going to throw in a few carrots. That's probably equivalent to, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 carrots. Oops, I left a tag in here. I've got some green beans. Throw a few of those in there. I have some corn. I'm just going to go ahead and empty that in there. Sweet corn. And then I have some celery that I dehydrated myself. I'm just going to dump all of that in there. What the heck? And then I have some onion here. This is also stuff I've dehydrated myself. So this is going to be a combination of dehydrated and freeze-dried and pulling stuff out of the freezer to make soup, kind of a dinner. So I just grabbed, I don't know, like a 1/4 cup of those onion flakes or so, just to give it some flavor. And then I just crumbled them in my hands because I didn't crumble them when I put them there. And let's give that a stir. That'll do for now. So now I'm going to add a little bit of flavoring too. So I'm going to add a bay leaf. We'll just toss that in. And then I'm going to throw in, this is some sage. Actually, it's a mixture of sage and savory from my garden. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of this in there because I like sage. I like a sage flavor with my chicken. So that's about a teaspoon-ish. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of garlic Just a very little bit. This garlic is homemade garlic, so it's super, super strong. I've got a little bit of thyme. And this is again from my garden. The only herb here that didn't come from my garden is the bay leaves. And I would love to have a bay tree, but I don't yet. So maybe someday I will have one. And last but not least, well, actually I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna put the parsley in just before I serve. So I think I'm gonna put some rice or something in here too to kind of boost up the heartiness of it. So I'm gonna go and see what I have and I will be back. That smells good. I have actually some wheat berries here, and I think I put them in one other soup once before, and I really liked them. So I'm gonna try them again in this chicken soup. And let's see, that's about a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, 3/4. I'm gonna put like 1 cup in. And that should be plenty. And I'll have to keep an eye on it because I don't know. Like I said, it's only the second time I've ever cooked with those wheat berries. So I don't really know how they're going to cook up. And I don't think they swell too much. They just add a nice nutty, crunchy, not crunchy, but a nice nutty flavor to the soup. So that's it. I'm going to leave it. It's going to sit for a couple hours and then we'll come and eat it.
Yes.
I want you to do it.
Is that spoon got your germs on it?
No, it's got spice powder on it.
Smells like turkey soup. Did it have turkey in it?
Might.
Okay, folks. I'm risking my life. It might be turkey. It might be something else.
I think it's chicken.
Tastes pretty good.
Does it? Mm-hmm. Okay, are you going to taste it now?
Here.
After you do.
No, you do first.
Oh, you do first. Give it to her. Give it to Lorrie. I want to see Lorrie taste it. I'm tired of being the guinea pig.
Mom was the guinea pig.
Well, yeah, it's usually your mother or me.
I have my hands full.
I said, "Was."
Are you going to film me?
Yep.
Are you?
Well, let's go. Jeez. Get in there.
Is that how you feel, honey, when I bring the camera up to you? You're hilarious. I need salt. And the wheat berries aren't cooked.
It doesn't need salt.
No.
No.
It's salty enough.
It's salty.
So I won't put any more salt in it.
Okay.
Because these guys don't like it as salty. I can add salt afterwards. It's good.
All right.
You don't get to taste it now.
Oh, no. Oh, I feel so left out.
You people, she says.
Who, her?
Yeah, she said that about us. You people.
She got no room to talk. You notice? Oh, there are some left. Not many.
See,
Did you
she
take
had some.
Did you take some?
Yes.
Yeah, see, they don't last long.
No, they don't, because they're my favorites. I'll probably be gone tonight.
That's why I got a jug of them coming.
Are they the little ones or is it the big cake ones you bought last time? Huh?
I bought those.
I didn't even know they made those big.
I didn't know they
bagels.
made that big either. I
No.
thought that was just a big package of small ones.
Yeah.
I opened it, this big old huge thing. It's like I don't want any of that.
It tasted just as good.
Well,
It was good, yeah. I
gotta
liked
Where
it.
did you get those?
Amazon,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
I had no idea that they made those, what are they
Cake
called?
size.
Peanut butter
Cake size.
cookie
Giant.
candies this big around.
Yeah.
It was
That's
huge.
bigger. It was bigger than that.
It was huge.
You had to cut it into little wedges. Yeah, that was surprising.
What, are you feeling left out? She didn't care.
She does feel left out. How's the
Thank you.